Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so far you see the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency, pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have a long requested fucking song, man. To the, I don't know if it's one guy. I think the KM. That's all I can remember right now. So KM. I don't know if it's him alone, but I've seen people ask for this for weeks now. Really and truly. For weeks now. So I'm like, I have to get this done. I can't just have them coming back and be like, bro, you ain't do it yet? You ain't do it yet? Like, I'm doing it now, bro. See what I go and feed. You understand? Click my links in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this shit, man. No, I'm being serious, you know. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, clicking the like button doesn't do it. Like, it doesn't take any money from your bank account, bro. You're not gonna die because you left a like. And just subscribe as well, bro. YouTube doesn't even show you most of your subscriptions anyway. So just subscribe and help me out, fam. Help a nigga out, bro. I'm trying, nigga. God damn, nigga. A joke, but yeah. Like, share, and subscribe and help me out, please. Alright, now, the top WIZ, I think bottom left is Jason, and the guy on the right, I don't know. But RIP to all those. So I'm guessing mental scars is going to be talking about, you know, his friends that died and the road life and his peak and bad things. So the beat sounds sad already, fam. So RIP everyone, fam. Streets is fucked.
You only done it again, you know.
She saw the drip in the goo. She asked me, what do I do? She saw the drip in the goo. She asked me, what do I do? I got mental scars under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros. I got mental scars under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros. Me, I can't fake it. Can't wear no pay slip. Got a plan, bear, pray that I make it. In the trap so long I can't take it. Get a drop, boom, bow, I'ma tape it. How you tripping over hoes, better type them laces. I'm a star in the making. Foot down, full speed, I ain't breaking. Get burst, man, turn up. It was always sweet, you should've seen her come up. Go pour one glass and raise it one hand for the G's, them locked in the slammer. YT got free, but he done a few months, so you know be back by summer. Try come to the block on violence, I bet all your G's get done up. Big racks, none of them can't act, man. Kai got 11, but he done 5, so you know we soon land. Old school piss.
Aye, done 5, so he soon land.
Them can't act, man. Kai got 11, but he done 5, so you know we soon land. Old school pits got me reminiscing. I got half of my guys in the can. And if you weren't there in the pics when we lit, I don't wanna hear you scream gang. She saw the drip in the goo. She asked me, what do I do? I told her, what's it to you? Straight one hop in the coupe. She saw how we flex on a weekday. She said, you niggas ballin' like EA. Now they wanna know cause we pay.
Man, RIP Jason, man. Like, you see him with the thing for WIZ and then he's just gone, man. Like, that's so fucked.
She said, you niggas ballin' like EA. Now they wanna know cause we paid. A young nigga like me just tryna get paid in 3 ways. Can't fuck with niggas, they been fake. She said I'm sweet, come and see how a G taste. I got mental scars under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros. I got mental scars under this drip I own. The same same since I lost my bros.
Oh, okay. So when I saw someone in the comments saying, RP, Mr. You Know, I Know, Mr. Kawales, Mr. 7 Feet, Mr. T Wiz, wow, man, RP Wiz, man, Jano. Seeing the, like, you see when the ups got this a dead nigga, you understand? You're like, oh, oh yeah, T Wiz, whatever. But then when their friends post them and you see like these niggas are like just regular guys, fam, just cool guys on the block. You know, it's just that we're from this side and you're from that side. So we beef, you understand? But it's not like these niggas over here was like fucked up or not, like, you know what I'm saying? Just the gang life, bro. Just fucked, innit? Yeah, man, that's why I'll never the road, bro. Never.
Don't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros. I got mental scars under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't.
Fam, look at it with the girls as well, man. The sweet ones are out, man. They're odd ways, man. And they're just, fam. Fuck the roads, bro.
Been the same since I lost my bros. She wants love and affection. Grip pillow and tech this. We've been G'ing for a year. I don't know why she ain't.
That's chaos, Jano.
Grip pillow and tech this. We've been G'ing for a year. I don't know why she ain't get the message. This lust, no loving. The whole team's got scars, they're funny. They're brack and scummy. We're bad with a whole lot of money. Got cases pending. Eliminate anyone sitting on fences. This beef, not tension. T-Rose got shot in the head, but let me not mention. She wants love, I'm offended. Bad, she a bad. Me can't love that, so I take a hotel. She a bracket and bend it.
Hey, a bad shit, man. I can't take her out. Hey, Spiller. Yeah, yard, man. Spiller, yeah, Jamaican. Bro, and the nigga was like, oh, Rose got shot in the head, oh, did you know? Like, well, shit, you tell me now.
Is this beef, not tension. T-Rose got shot in the head, but let me not mention. She wants love.
Man said, but let me not mention. But you just mentioned it, fam. Don't lie, fam. You wanted to mention it, bro. Trust me. You're glad that you guys got the get back, fam. Trust me.
Offenses, this beef, not tension. T-Rose got shot in the head, but let me not mention. She wants love, I'm offended. Bad, she a bad. Me can't love that, so I take a hotel. She a bracket.
Bad, she a bad. But we can't love that, so I take her. Oh, man, I love this part.
She wants love, I'm offended. Bad, she a bad. Me can't love that, so I take a hotel. She a bracket and bend it. She a bracket and bend it. I got mental scars under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros. I got mental scars.
Fam, look at this, bro. This is real, like, since teenage, young, fam, like, and then to lose a friend, bro, like that, fam. Like, fam. Anyway, let me just play this shit, man.
Under this drip I own. Got a 2-bag phone up in O, praying I make it home. Demons in my head, they won't leave me alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros.
Hola.
Alone. Oh, praying I make it home.
Man said, just another day. Look at this, guys. The KA drinks behind him. The tuna cans. The man is nice living in jail still. I say nice. It's jail. I'm sure he doesn't want to be. Man, I'm Dolce & Gabbana sneakers, bro. Fam, what is going on? That man is living better than me in jail.
Demons in my head, they won't leave me
Psych. No, once you have your freedom, nobody can live better than you, bro.
alone. I swear life ain't been the same since I lost my bros.
Wow. But yo, Jano, CKED. Wow. Mental scars. Just seeing the pictures, man, of WIZ and Jason and KHAOS, dog. It's like, fuck you now. And because you don't really see the ups this Jason like that. I mean, I don't really hear the ups this Jason like that. I don't really hear the ups this KHAOS like that. But I always hear them talk about T-Wiz. You understand? CGM started that shit, bro, in 2017. You understand? But this was to see the pictures, dog, and fam, these guys are just regular youths, man. You know what I'm saying? Just decide to go road life. And then it is what it is once you join the roads, fam. Once you jump on road, whatever you get is what you get, bro. The roads don't love nobody, fam. So you understand? Make sure so you just move vigilant, dog. Diligent, more vigilant. Move militant, diligent, and intelligent, bro. You understand? But you don't know. Cogency and the Cogency Rocks channel, man. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Click my links in the description, but I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.